What is going on, everyone? Alright, so I'm going to be showing you how to use Adobe Lightroom. Just the basics on how to get things done and how to transfer your images so you can be able to use them. So the first thing you need to make sure you do is you're in the file server and you're under A Graphics, right? Inside you're going to see a folder that says Classroom Posters. Make sure you copy that folder. Please follow instructions just as I mentioned. Do not double click. Do not grab the pictures that are inside. Just select the folder and press copy. Control C. Then head over to your pictures folder, which is down here on the side. And in here you're going to put Control V. Once you put Control V, you should see that they transfer over and you will see a poster right here, Classroom Posters for Advanced. I already had it, it's renamed different, but I'm not going to copy and paste it again since I already did it. But make sure you all do that. So Control C to copy, Control V to paste. Now the next thing you want to do is you want to open up Adobe Lightroom. There are two types of Adobe. There is the Lightroom Classic and then Adobe Lightroom, the regular one. Make sure you open up the Classic. Go ahead and click there so we can open up that software. Alright, cool. So I already have your pictures in here, but the first thing you want to do is you want to go over to where it says Library up here at the top. Once you're in Library, you're going to see a button that says Import and a button that says Export. You want to go ahead and click Import. When you click Import, you're going to see over here that it's telling you to select your source. So I'm going to just close everything up. Alright, you might see something that looks like this. So what you want to do is you want to click the arrow where it says Users. I'm going to click on H. Gonzalez because that's how I log in. But you're going to click on A Graphics. So open up A Graphics. Then you're going to be able to see where it says Pictures. So you're going to open up Pictures. And you're going to see the folder that says Advanced Classroom Posters. Mine is called Classroom Posters Advanced. And when I do that, I'm going to see the pictures that I need. Now notice my pictures look gray. That's because I have already imported them, so I already have them in Lightroom. But yours are not going to be gray. They're going to have little check marks. And then all you're going to click is put Import right here. So once you click Import, you're going to see all your pictures show up right here. In order to be able to see these pictures in big, then what you're going to do is go over to Develop Mode. Once you're in Develop Mode, you'll be able to see the pictures. If there's anything that you need to do to the pictures, like let's say for example, you're like, I want to make this image a little bit more contrasty so it looks a little bit more hard, like harsh shadows and stuff. You can do that if you wanted to. You can mess with the shadows to bring the shadows out or maybe make the shadows darker. So it's up to you, right? Let's just say for example that I want this picture to look just like that, right? If I go over to the next picture doesn't look like that, and that causes a problem. The other thing that I notice is that the alignment of this is not straight either. So I'm going to go ahead and click right here where it says Crop Overlay, and you see this little arrow, ruler right here that says Straightening Tool. I'm going to select that, and then I'm just going to click a line that follows along the path of the paper. That automatically adjusts it so that it's straight, and I can just press Enter and OK it. So I like the way this image looks like, and I want to apply this to all my images. So with that first image selected, I can select all the images, right? I'm only going to select a couple, but I'll select all of them. And I'm going to click where it says Sync. From here, I'm going to make sure that all these check marks are checked. Local brushes, that's fine. Transform, I want to go ahead and check Transform. Crop, make sure Crop is turned on because we also cropped the image. And we're going to put Synchronize. What that does is it applies the same effect to all the images. So you notice right now Lightroom is working. Now that Lightroom is done, when I go to the next image will have the same effects. Everything is straightened out. And everything looks good right there. Perfect. So now you're going to want to choose the images that you want. So let's say, for example, you say to yourself, you know what, I like the way Dagum looks like that, so I'm going to have him be looking forward. And on your keyboard, the numbers 1 through 5 will give you star ratings. So I'm going to go ahead and put a 1 to rate that image a 1 star. I'm going to come over here to Cameron and be like, I like the way Cameron looks facing this way, so I'm going to go ahead and give him a 1 star rating. And then head over to this one and be like, let's see. Alright, I'm going to go with the one where he's facing this way and give him a 1 star rating. Then head over to this one. Too much light on his glasses. So I'll head over to the next one. That one looks a little bit better. This one looks pretty cool, so I'll go ahead and give him a 1 star rating. Notice that all those that I'm 1 starring now have a 1 star rating on the actual image itself. This one looks really good, so I'll put 1 star right there. Keep on going. And so just as an example, right? So we'll go ahead and click here. That one looks really good. Put 1 star. And then so on and so forth, right? Now that I have 1 starred all the images that I want, I can now head over to where it says filter and click show me only the images that are rated. So I can click there. And now it's only going to show me the images that are rated, which is perfect. And then I just want to make sure that the same effect that I wanted on all these images are synchronized to the rest of them. So sync and yes. There we go. So everything's straight. Everything looks just the way I want it. That's perfect. So now all you have to do is right click, edit in Adobe Photoshop. And that's it. From there you can just do the rest of the stuff that you already know how to do in Adobe Photoshop. If you have any questions, just let me know. And as always guys, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.